Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox not installing easy and quick. First, click here and then type after that type apps and features, and now search for Roblox, and when you find it just click on it and uninstall it. And if you can't find it, now just go back and go to your browser and type Roblox. Now just click on download Roblox app, and now try to download setup again. So just download it again and try to install setup that you just downloaded. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to run, type here app data, okay, go for local, scroll down until you find Roblox, and here's it. Right click on it and delete it. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now you have to make sure that your Windows got all the last updates. So just check for updates, and if you find any update, just install it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.